Hey, my name is Russell Brunson, and I want to share with you something really special to me. Recently, I finished writing my very first book called DotCom Secrets, and I actually want to give you a copy of this for free. But before we do, I want to explain to you really quickly what this book is about, but more importantly, I want to share with you what this book is not about. Now, this book, it's not about getting more traffic to your websites, okay? But after you read this and you understand the DotCom Secrets, I promise you, you'll get exponentially more visitors and more people coming to your website. Now, this book, it's also not about increasing your conversions. Yet what you learn inside of here will increase your conversions more than any headline tweak or split test ever could even hope to accomplish. And all that's here inside this book. Now, if you're currently struggling to get people to actually come to your website, or when they actually come to your website to get those people to convert and to become buyers and to actually give you money, my guess is you probably think you have some type of traffic or conversion problem.